Bullish band protocol cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $9 and $17 by 2030. Market examiners accept band could reach $7 by 2025. Bearish band protocol market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.60. Band protocol presentation. The presence of numerous protocols, both brought together and decentralized, has made a requirement for a scaffold between them for quicker exchanges, network simplicity, dormancy, and broad associations. Band protocol fabricated this scaffold and killed the requirement for brokers while cultivating security and dependability. Notwithstanding, towards the finish of the second quarter of 2022, the whole market went down a winding including band protocol. In this video, we discuss the previous value activity of this token. The examination will give us an understanding into the future cost expectations, the essentials hidden, and whether it's a wise venture for your portfolio over the long haul. What is band protocol? Band protocol was made in 2017 to make an extension between the conventional web and the blockchain by giving genuine information to the decentralized organization. It is controlled by an aggressive group drove by Sorvis Srinawakun, an accomplished programming engineer and specialist, going about as the president, and Sorowitz Suryakarn filling in as the CTO. This protocol fills in as a stage for decentralized applications. To use their savvy contract information focuses to acquire openness to outside arrangements. The white paper expressed. Band protocol means to tackle information openness and information dependability in a completely decentralized way. This incorporates how band gives information and point to such an extent that any shrewd agreements can without much of a stretch consume certifiable information and information administration instrument to guarantee information uprightness. It presents an answer for blockchain profits, which is the unavailability to true information on the chain. This is an impediment to the extension of the DeFi environment and the improvement of utilizations inside the blockchain in general on the grounds that their purposes are inside a shut framework. Band protocol wipes out the requirement for agents and the issues in regards to adaptability and information security during association by relying upon its local blockchain, which was at first sent off on the Ethereum blockchain, however presently works with universe created between blockchain correspondence protocol. The security framework inside the protocol is empowered by a designated verification of stake agreement instrument. Band is the local and administration badge of the protocol, which allows the holders the right to direction and information given the organization. This token was sent off in September 2019 on Binance through an underlying trade offering where chosen people partook. The worth of band tokens is deflationary, which is expected to urge the protocol's clients to stake their tokens and get compensated for it. They're likewise utilized in loaning and other exchange administrations, with dApps getting to the information focuses through an information aggregator inside the decentralized organization. Band protocol essential examination. This task has made numerous organizations since its beginning and a full send-off in 2019 with firms like CX, Alpha Ventures, Sequoia Capital, Binance, and numerous others. Here are key occasions that have moved its development and advancement. Towards the center of 2020, the band protocol was relaunched on the Universe organization to ease speed that was not accomplished on the ERC mainnet. Also, band protocol sent off its band chain public mainnet on Universe biological system to empower cross-chain reconciliations in June 2020. Band protocol turned into the first blockchain organization to join the OpenAPI drive, an occasion that plans to foster programming that will associate applications on the blockchain with significant firms like Google, eBay, Microsoft, and IBM in December 2020. In July 2021, band protocol sent off band chain v2. This rendition concedes the clients and information suppliers the opportunity to run hubs themselves as opposed to relying upon mediators. Band protocol current cost. Band protocol is presently worth $2 USD. Band has moved 0.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,302,256. Band protocol is presently positioned 844 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $102,904,742 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for band protocol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous band protocol market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Band protocol value forecast 2023. Band protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The band cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $3. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.80 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Band is supposed to have a base worth of $2.40. Band Protocol Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Band Protocol band cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of band will before long outperform $5. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the band's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, band will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.40. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7 and band might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Band is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.40 and a low of $6 in 2025. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Band Protocol effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Band coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Band will be green in 2026. The Band is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $9, with a base cost of $8 and a typical cost of $8.40. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the band cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10.40 by 2027, with a base cost of $10 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, band has a most extreme value worth of $11. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12.40. On the off chance that band figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $13. Neglecting to assemble the help band needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $12. Band Protocol Value Forecast 2029. While Band is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $14 and a yearly cost close above $15 in 2029. Band Protocol Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Band Protocol will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. Band Protocol Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating